a child abduction emergency for all of Florida beginning at 62 pounds, on the 100 block of 4th Street in Jupiter, Florida.
WGCU is relaying that. Holy crap.
A black and yellow t-shirt, light blue jeans with this, and black high-top Adidas shoes. The child may be in the company of Oliver Ramos, a white hispanic.
Darn it, it didn't go off.
7 inches tall, brown hair and brown eyes. White Oxford Hollister jeans with this, black socks, and black and yellow sandals. They may be traveling in a dark-colored minivan with tinted windows. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Jupiter Police Department at 561-999-4445 or 911.
Holy crap.
To this child, please contact the Jupiter Police Department at 561.
Become a WGCU sustainer for an easy way to provide ongoing support to the programs you love. Monthly deductions from your bank account or credit card keep your membership current and help sustain WGCU with resources we can count on. Every time you enjoy WGCU, you'll know that your sustaining is making a difference.
Come on.
Become a WGCU sustainer today at WGCU.org or 800-533-9428.
I thought WGCU actually relayed that. Alright. Oh.
Rescue alert! Rescue alert! For her book Invisible Child, she followed a young girl named Dasani.
Alright. It actually went off. Alright.